Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have x square plus y equals to 73 and y square plus x equals to also 73, and we solve this problem for the values of x and y. So here first we call this is our equation number 1 and we call this is our equation number 2. And now here further the very first thing we are going to do is first we will just subtract these two equations, so that here we subtract equation number 1 with equation number 2. It means that the left hand side is subtracted with the left hand side, and we write it as x square plus y minus y square plus x equals to, when you subtract these two values, it will be written as 73 minus 73. Okay, so here further in the next step, here we need some simplification. So we rearrange the terms, and here when you multiply this negative sign on both of these terms, now we will obtain x square minus y square. This is x square, and this times of y square equals to minus y square. And here you have, this is our, we get y, and here we get minus x, and this is equals to y 73 minus 73 equals to 0. And now here in the next step, we need to use here the nice algebraic formula. You know about this formula. It is equals to x minus y times of x plus y, and here we take common minus sign, and we get this y minus x equals to x minus y, and this whole equals to 0. And now here in the next step, you see here x minus y be the common term, so that we will take common x minus y, and the remaining terms are, here we get x plus y minus 1 equals to 0. And now we convert this equation into two cases, so that the first case is we take x minus y equals to 0, and the second case is we take x plus y minus 1 equals to 0. And now here from first case, we easily get our x is equals to y, but now here we solve this problem for distinct values of x, so that we rejected this case, and we will just proceed here this case only. And now in this case we move this minus 1 to the right hand side, and we get the value of x plus y equals to 1, and we call this is our equation number 3. So here first we will add, we will subtract equation number 1 and 2, and now here we add these two equations, so that when you add equation number 1 and equation number 2, then we will obtain, here we add the left hand side with the left hand side and right hand side with the right hand side, so it will be written as x square plus y square plus x equals to 73 plus 73. And now here we will sum up these two values, and now we rearrange the terms, and here we write it as, this is x square plus y square, and we combine these two terms, and it will be written as x plus y equals to, this is 73 plus 73 becomes here 146. Here we use equation number 3, so from equation number 3 we have the value of x plus y equals to 1. We substitute it here, and it will be written as x square plus y square, and plus this is 1 equals to 146. Here we get the value of x square plus y square equals to 145. When you subtract this one here, it will become 145. So here we again focus on equation number 3. So in equation number 3 we need to take the squaring on equation number 3, and equation number 3 is implies that, first we copy down here, it is x plus y equals to 1, and when we take the scaling on both of the sides, it will be written in this form. So here we substitute, here we'll expand this formula. It will be written as x square plus y square plus 2 times of x y equals to this 1 square equals to 1. And now here in the next step, we use equation number 4 here. So in equation number 4 we have, now we will substitute the value of x square plus y square here, so it will be written as This is 145 plus 2 times of xy equals to 1. So here we will get 2 times of xy equals to minus 144. When you move this value here, it will become minus 144. Now we divide both of the sides by 2. So you see here these 2 and 2 are cancelled by each other, and we get the value of xy equals to, this is 2 sevens are 14 and 2 twos are 4, and we get here minus 72. And here we move this x to the right hand side, and it will be written as y equals to minus 72 divided by x. We call this is our equation number 5. So we put the value of this y in equation number 4, so we put this value of y in equation number 3. So that equation number 3 is implies that this is x plus y equals to 1. And when we put this value of y here, it will be written as x minus 72 over x equals to 1. Here we will take the LCM in the left hand side. So the LCM is x, and it will become x squared minus 72 equals to 1. And now we move this x to the right hand side. It will be written as x squared minus 72 equals to x. So here we move this x in the left hand side. It will be written as x squared minus x minus 72 equals to 0. And now here we need to make the factors of this equation, so that we rewrite this equation as x squared minus 9x plus 8x minus 72 equals to 0. Here we will break its middle term. So we write this minus x as minus 9x plus 8x, and now we take common x from the first two terms, and we get x minus 9, and here we take common plus 8, and we get again x minus 9 equals to 0. Now we take common x minus 9 from both of these terms, and we get x plus 8 equals to 0. So here you easily get x minus 9 equals to 0 and x plus 8 equals to 0. So here we get the value of x equals to 9, and here we get the value of x equals to minus 8. So these are the two values of x, and now here from these two values of x we will find the corresponding values of y. So for in order to find the values of y, we will copy down equation number 5 here. It is y equals to minus 72 over x. So when you put this value of x here, it will be written as y equals to minus 72 over 9, and when you put this value here, it will be written as y equals to minus 72 over 8. So this you will get here 9 8s are 72, and we get here y equals to minus 8, and here 8 9s are 72, and we get y equals to minus 9. So finally we have the solution set of the given equation is, or in other words you write it here, x y equals to, we have two solution set. The first solution set is the value of x is 9 and corresponding value of y is minus 8, and the second solution set is we have the value of x is minus 8 and corresponding value of y is minus 9. So this is the solution set of this problem, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.